NBIX, a stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying or am I not? Watch this very short 1-minute video till the end to find out. I want to be very clear is that the price is melting like 3% or something today. The day before that it was a lot worse, which is the Friday. From a first glance, it does have like a solid structure to it. It's just this correction on the lower time frames happening. So I'm keeping that in mind. Now, I have delivered thousands of correct predictions over the last 4 years, spent thousands on courses and mentors, you know, documented everything, generally speaking, at NBIX. With NBIX, it's a bullish range. Like it ultimately comes back, stems from like $100 level. So nothing is stopping me from potentially still taking longs here as long as the rules are met. Otherwise I'm not, you know, otherwise I'm just not going to take no trades. I'm going to focus on other ticker symbols. But that's how my 2 cents look like on NBIX. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the very first link in the description. That's a free newsletter. And yeah, I'll continue to keep you updated. Goodbye.